Josh Duggar has been detained and is going straight into custody after he was found guilty on 2 child pornography charges. Josh, 33, was arrested and charged with receiving and possessing child pornography in April 2021. On Thursday, he was found guilty on both counts. Judge Timothy L. Brooks said that he plans to sentence Duggar in 4 months' time. He added, "Mr. Duggar 100% has been compliant awaiting trial. I appreciate that and I wanted to acknowledge that. However, because of the guilty offenses he must be detained regardless of flight risk, so there will be a mandatory detention. The marshals will set that up. He faces up to 20 years in prison on each count." After being found guilty of both possessing and receiving child pornography, Josh was ordered straight into custody. Though he didn't cry after hearing the result, Josh was teary-eyed and solemn when handcuffed, according to the Sun's reporter at the scene. The ex-Counting On alum was cuffed immediately and taken away. He stopped to tell his wife Anna that he loved her on his way out. Family patriarch Jim Bob Duggar worked to console Anna despite her appearing stoic through it all. He gave his daughter-in-law a hug before leaving court with his son Justin and his wife Claire. Though Josh was teary-eyed in court, he smiled for his new mugshot photo. The charges are related to the 2019 Homeland Security raid on his now shuttered used car dealership in Springdale, Arkansas. In November 2019, Homeland Security investigations conducted an ongoing federal investigation at the lot, but no charges were filed against Josh until April 2021. The guilty verdict is the culmination of a nearly 2-week trial that saw graphic and disturbing details and testimony. Follow our Josh Duggar Trial Live blog for the very latest news and updates. Among the most shocking revelations was the testimony from Josh's ex-girlfriend's mother, Bobi Holt, who broke down in tears and claimed in court that he once confessed to molesting a 5-year-old girl when he was a teen. Bobi told the jury that she visited the Duggars' home when Josh was 15, and at that time he confessed to touching the 5-year-old girl inappropriately. "We have been friends with the Duggars for 36 years. Our children were best friends," she told the courtroom. "Our oldest was Josh's girlfriend in November of 2002. It was formal. They were 14. Bobi continued. On March 23, 2003, Mr. Duggar asked us to come over for an important matter. They took us to their bedroom. Josh was on the floor. Child molestation. According to Bobi, Josh admitted to inappropriately touching several girls when he was 12 to 15 years old. Bobi alleged the youngest girl was 5 years old and her molestation occurred during Bible time. The family friend then broke down in tears, as she revealed horrifying details of the molestation confession the Sun has chosen not to include in this post. She then testified that the plan was for her daughter and Josh to get married, but the parents decided to call off the courtship after learning of the alleged sexual abuse. She explained, "He told us so our oldest daughter would know why the relationship had to end." Josh went to a facility for troubled youth. Bombshell report. In 2015, a police report was published that revealed his dad, Jim Bob, confessed to local authorities in 2006 that Josh inappropriately touched several young girls while they were asleep in the family home years prior. The state used the molestation information at trial, as it shows his alleged sexual interest in young girls.